Metong karing pakapaninayan na rin Katolikos tung magpasko ing simbang bengi. Katuklo na ring December 16, mag-umpisa na yung Siamaldong Misa at pakaulagan na rin Kapampangan.
Kasi sa Roman Catholic tradition na gustong papuntahan na kayong Kapaskuhan, den tao sisimbalang bengi o kaya Ganingaldo in anticipation of the birth of Christ which happened in the night. Kaya Pampanga nga usta o kaya Pilipinas nga usta rin Misa Aguinaldo. Ngeni, kaya Pampanga uling sarado Katolik utang. Masyado tayong didibdiban ipa magmasusi kaya katamong Kapaskuhan bilang penitensya ing pamanyang bambengi.
Metong yakano iting antibong sakripisyo para karing Kapampangan, ban pakibata na ning apong ginuing kanilang panalangin.
Masakit itang magigising kang Ganingaldo, lalo na ustung the night before, may kipaglubenas ka pa. So, pa maglubenas, penitensya ito, uling lalakad kang very great distances, mapupuyat ka, kahit pilang kang oras matutod, nagising na ka na naman para kayong simbang bengi. So those two activities that are found only in Pampanga actually, the combination na ito, give Kapampangans the opportunity to make sacrifices, to prepare their souls for the coming of Jesus Christ through the Nativity. So tandayan kay katamong pangasarado Katoliko kaya Pampanga.
Paralan niya naman kano'y simbang bengi bang magsadyala rin Kapampangan kay baita ng Jesucristo. Agpaki-executive director na ng Center for Kapampangan Studies sa Irobitan Tingko, maragul yung selebrasyon para kay katamong Kapampangan ng Pasko.
While the soul is being prepared for the coming of Jesus, in katawan ta naman, our body is being pampered with a lot of food, a lot of pleasures. So, kaya it's a balancing act between the two. Lalo na itamong Kapampangan na well-known tamo for our love of the good life, love of anything delicious, kaya tamong vanity, love of clothes, fashion, etc. So all of these come into play or manifest themselves during Christmas, especially during Christmas. Bayo ka piblas, nakal ka pera, pagpasikat ka, mama nalang patugot. But on the other hand, maglubenas tamo pong sisimpatang may. Ano ba talaga kuya? So, bala mo, talagang it's a constant battle between the soul and the body.
Aminado naman itanting ko naking panahon na iti, bagya-bagyala ka nung makakalingwan di makanining tradisyon.
Actually, mawawalan. Except for the efforts of some tourism officers like those in Magala, in Mabalacat, and Santa Ana, no? They're really doing a mighty effort to preserve them and repopularize them. Pero nakakita na yung simbang bengi, para maging mas convenient siya ka rin tao, gagawin na niya ang bengi, imbes ng Ganingaldo. To me, that's not in the same original spirit, which is waking up very early in the morning before the break of dawn. So bala mo, accommodate na lang, ulit niya makagising maranon, gawan na ng bengi. So like masyadong panganaliwa, kaya regular masses.
Yako po yung kaya kayong talasuyo JM De Jesus, ating pusong makabalen.